Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, students. Everybody, good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, beta. How are you all?
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
fine.
fine.
I'm
Very
fine.
good. Very nice.
Ma'am, fine.
Now, children, today what we're going to do is we are going to start with our revision. We have done all the chapters. We have completed the whole syllabus for UT2,
Yes, ma'am.
right? We have done the question answers of chapter 14.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So what we
Yes,
are
ma'am.
going to do today is we are going to start with our revision, and that too in written form. So everybody get your rough copies. I will type a few questions in the chat box and you have to do those questions in your rough copy, and then later you're going to send me the image of your work. Is it clear to all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Everybody go and get your copies.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, I have a question.
Yes, beta, ask.
Ma'am, I was saying that in this period we can do oral revision, and ma'am, today we are having two periods. Ma'am, first this one and ma'am last also. So
So
maybe last we can do the.
beta, what we'll do is in this period you can give the written test, and I'll try to this thing make correction during this the breaks of 15 minutes. Okay, and then we are going to discuss those things in the last period. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Okay,
Okay.
ma'am.
Okay, and this thing, the revision test is from chapter 13. Write down chapter 13 revision test.
Ma'am, we have to send on your personal number.
Yes, you can send me on my personal number.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, beta. Children, first you will write all the questions. First of all, you will write all the questions like how I am writing. And then you're going to write the answers. Okay, there are 6 questions in all. So first write down these 6 questions and then start with the answers. And everyone will put the video on while writing the answers.
Okay, ma'am.
Good.
Ma'am, we have to leave line or we have to write the answer on the next page.
Just leave a line and start writing the answer. No need to leave the page, no need to start the answers from the next page. All right, students, I have typed all the questions in the chat box. Now copy these questions and start doing your test. All the very best to all of you. And
Ma'am, can you send the question please, again, please? Because I disconnect because of network problem.
okay,
So the questions are
all
not.
right, I am resending all the questions. But now what you'll do is you'll take a screenshot and keep it with you. Fine? Because again, if
Okay,
you will
ma'am.
get disconnected, again the same problem will occur.
Ma'am, can we write by ourselves?
If you want to write by yourself, better you can write. But the answer should be meaningful and it should be correct.
Ma'am, we have to write only answer.
No, beta, you have to write all the questions first, make a line, and then start writing the answers. I hope everyone knows what we are doing. Those who have joined late, have you understood what you are supposed to do?
Ma'am, the work is not there in chat box.
Children, is the work not there in the chat box?
Ma'am, it's there. No, ma'am, it is.
Ma'am, it is.
Ma'am, the work is there.
Okay. Avni, I will resend the questions once again. Can you see it now, Avni?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, we have to write answer or we have to write state.
Beta, you have to write answers. What are you asking? That you have to write statement? I didn't understand.
Ma'am, we have to write statement or only we have to write answer.
You have to write questions and answers both. First, write all the questions, then put your videos on, and then start writing the answers.
We have to post it the work on WhatsApp.
Yes, beta, you have to post the work on WhatsApp on my personal number. Afraz Ali and Ridyansh Saxena have joined it now. Beta, we have to do question answers. I have given a few questions in the chat box. You have to write these questions and then you have to write the answers of these questions. It is a revision test that we are doing from chapter 13. So go and get your rough copy. You have to give this test in your rough copies.
I joined it, so please send the questions again.
Yes, I'll send the questions again. Children, no one has written the questions so far. Because I told you to write the questions and then put your cameras on.
Question writing.
Okay, everybody is still writing questions.
Good morning, ma'am. Ma'am, you are on mute. Ma'am, you.
Yes. Thank you. Thank you for telling. I'm saying that we are doing the revision test from chapter 13. I have given a few questions which are in the chat box. Go and get your rough copy. You have to do the test in your rough copies. First, you have to write all the questions and then you have to start writing the answers of those questions. Is it clear, Garv? I will resend the questions once again in the chat box. Fine, beta. Have you understood? Say yes or no. Garv is not there.
Ma'am,
Yes, have you understood what you're supposed to do? Beta, have you understood what you are supposed to do?
Yes, ma'am.
Good. Children, have you not written questions as for now? Till now, I mean.
Ma'am, I have written
Then
question.
why aren't your videos on?
Ma'am, my video is on.
No, beta, I'm talking about others. Everybody put your videos on.
Ma'am, I have also written the questions.
Then why haven't you put your camera on?
Ma'am, I think that my video is on.
Arushi, Afraz, Mohammad Imad, Mehul, Avni, Ridyansh, Pratyush Gaur, Divyanshu Dev. What about you all? Put your videos on, children.
Ma'am, I am on 6th question.
Okay. Why, Afraz? What is the problem that it is not getting on?
Ma'am, now I can write answers.
Put your video on and then start writing answers. Half of the class is, I don't know, doing what behind the cameras. Why can't you keep your cameras on? When you have written the question, just put your phones in front of you.
Ma'am, I am on answer 5.
Very good, beta. Very nice.
Ma'am, I am on answer number 6.
Very good. 4.5 minutes are left. Hurry up and try to finish your work in this period only. Yes, Pratishtha?
Ma'am, in the question number 5, it is written, describe the curse of river Brahmaputra. So, ma'am, what that curse means?
Course. 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 So the course means whenever a course of anything is asked, that means like a river here. So they're asking where does it originate from? Where does it rise? What is the path that it goes through? And where does it end? So you have to describe the complete course of this river Brahmaputra.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay?
Ma'am, I know the name, but I am making my answer on my own.
Know the names of what?
Ma'am, answer number 5.
Ma'am, why you have sent the
Very nice.
question answers 5 times?
Beta, it is sent 5 times or it is sent multiple times because few students joined the class late. So when anybody joins the class, the chat box is empty for that student.
Okay, ma'am.
Children, there is hardly 1 minute left. I think you'll have to continue the work in the last period.
Okay, ma'am.
in the last answer.
Very good, very nice. Try to finish it in these 15 minutes only, children, so that we can do something else in the last period.
Ma'am, how many minutes are left?
Not even a single minute is left.
Ma'am, I have done.
Bye,
Nice.
ma'am.
Now you can send me the work.
All right, ma'am.